Hello friends, I'm your one and only German guru. So our today's topic is German numbers from 11 to 15. ELF is 11 in German and its pronunciation is elf. Elf. ZWOLF is 12 in German and its pronunciation is Zolf. Zolf. DRIEZEHN is 13 in German and its pronunciation is Dreizehn. Dreizehn. VIERZEHN is 14 in German and its pronunciation is Vierzehn. Vierzehn. FUNFZEHN is 15 in German and its pronunciation is Fünfzehn. Fünfzehn. So we are at the end of this session. So auf Wiedersehen.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brian? Yes.